Okay na, wala. Start na. Team Jerome, 1-1. Team India, 0-1.
Good.
Taking 3. Marco Blesa. 3-0 in favor of Team Derapite. Willie, pass to Jerome. Jerome sa ilalim. Back to Prince. To Boys. Prince. Webanyama. 3-2 in favor of Team Derapite. And welcome po sa ating special review quarter, Season 2 Papawis Run, 13 Papawis Run of the Year. 10 seconds to shoot. No place sa akin, 83, no good, Rimo Boy, Willie. Alcantara, Uwara crossover, Alcantara, Alcantara, drop pass to Prince, to Boys. Prince, Webanyama.
4-3.
4-3 in favor of Team Jerome. Prince, cut out, Atipay. Sean Cortez, pass to Derpite. 9 seconds to shoot. Wow. Power jersey number 3, Lance Poco. First team foul of Team Jerome. 14 seconds to shoot. Mosera, pass to Noblesa.
10 seconds.
To Derpite, 83. Nugget, 3-5. Matapay. Pass to Damasco. Damasco, 83. Nugget, 3-5. Katapay na naman. 2 points. Prince, Katapay. Webanyama. Drop pass to Noblesa. Sir Sean. To Derpite. Slow move. Rebound ni number 0. Wala pa rin. Rebound. Derpite pa rin. Nugget pa rin. Number 0 pa rin. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Sir Eric Cristobal. Sir Eric. Score 5-4 in favor of Team Jerome.
Magkapatid, naglaban.
10 seconds.
10 seconds, no good. Rebound by Willie. Willie, short jumper. 2 points. Willie Alcantara.
Robo yan!
Second team foul of Team Jerome.
Ano na?
Lasol.
6-5. Alamang siya.
Sila ano? Kabila.
6-5 in favor of Team Jerome. What a move by Nel. Rebound by Sir Sean Cortez. Sean Michael Cortez.
Sila Boko lamang. Hindi. Kabila.
Ay, sila box. Tama.
Sila Boko ba?
2 points. Damasco.
9-8.
9-8 in favor of Team Jerome. Foul. 13 foul of Team Jerome. Shoutout sa ating mga bros and ating mga viewers ngayon. Welcome po sa ating papakis. Maraming salamat po. Nugget, rebound by Prince. Pass to Jerome. Jerome, 15 seconds to shoot. 6 minutes and 15. Jerome nakawala. Jerome, pass to Prince na naman sa ilalim. 10 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. Nugget, rebound by number 0. Number 0 nakawala na si Noblesa. Noblesa pa rin. Noblesa, short jumper. Nugget, rebound by Sir Michael. 2 points. Sean Michael, a.k.a. Mr. Lefty. 10-9 naman pa rin ang isa. Pero ayaw playing para kay Prince Matapay. Assist by Willie Alcantara. 11-10. Prince
10
Jefferson.
seconds. 10 seconds.
6 minutes and 5 seconds to shoot. 2 points. Jeru Mosera. Change favor 12-11 in favor of Team. Paano ito? Team Derpite, isa. 12-11. Sir Eric. 5 seconds to shoot. Damasco short number. Change favor again. 13-12. Jerome Damasco. 13-12. Crossover move for Sir Michael. Sir Michael pa rin. Foul. Warning for penalty. Team Jerome.
30 seconds
Warning for
change
penalty.
30 seconds change court.
30 seconds before change court. Warning for penalty. Lamang kayo isa. 13-12. 13-12. Number 0. Mokosera taking long. 3. No, hindi mo kayo. Prince Jefferson.
Na, ano?
Pass to Willie. Willie, nagmamadali. Willie, lumipad. Willie pa rin. No, good. Primo pa Jeru.
Good.
Good ball. Jeru. Abel boy. Pass to penalty. Foul. Tumakol na, Paul. Kita na lang po. Kita na lang. Pag hindi na-shoot, Paul po. Pag na-shoot, inyo po bola. Kita na lang po. Kung sino po mag-miss.
Bosby, pag na-shoot, foul.
Pag na-shoot ng Team Jeru, Paul po, penalty. Kapag hindi na-shoot, bola niyo po, Team
Ito kayo,
Cooks.
Bosby.
Penalty. Free throw na po yan, free throw.
Yun yung sabi ko sa'yo nakaraan. Ay, may sabi ko sa akin. Sabi mo wala kasi binigay yung bola kasi kahit na-shoot. Hindi ko na wala sa'yo na akin yan. Panalo naman kayo ah. Hindi tayo sa'yo. Champion na kayo ah. Ako may naguguluhan, pati ako naguguluhan.
Penalty.
Ano points yan?
Change, 11 seconds before change.
Pero nakita ko naman yung pabor sa atin ni Bosby. 2 seconds, pinatayagan siya.
Good ball. Bola na pa rin. Good po yan. Good. Bawa na. Bola na pa rin. Shoot or rin. Bola na pa rin. Good po yan. Good.
10 seconds change court.
8 seconds before change. Shoot or rin sa penalty. Bola po ng kalaban na nag-free throw. Good ball. Take 3. No. Good ball. Pag na-shoot, change na po.
Layo!
No, pa rin. Lima pa. Willie. 14-13. Lamang na po na isa. Ang team na repeated. Change score na po. Change score.
Lamang na sila
15 points.
Lamang na po ang team Jerome. 15-14. 15-14. 4 minutes and 58 seconds.
Bilang ako.
Block kay Boko. Inabot. No good. Di mo kay Willie. Grabe si Boko. Defensive player. Jerome. Good ball. Jerome.
Wala! Hindi siya nakatago. Wala!
Alam ko ba labas po. 15-14. Lamang na isa. Team Jerome. 15-14. 4 minutes and 30 seconds.
Wala ako.
To contest, ito pa rin yung mobile ni Prince Jefferson. Pass to Sir Eric.
Ilan teams pa, bali? Tayo, Ivan, Jerome.
Good ball.
Shoot.
Shoot.
Change play ball. Ay, hindi. Naman pa rin pala sila. Naman pa rin ang isa. 17-16. Naman pa rin mo na isa. Team Jerome.
Sir Placer, Ivan, tayo,
10 seconds.
Jerome.
10 seconds. 7, 6,
Tapos tayo.
5,
Tapos ano sila?
4.
Good ball. 3 minutes and 48.
Uy, trap.
40 seconds. 3. Shawn Michael. Cortez. 19-17. Lamang na po ang team. Derepite ng dalawa. Team Derepite. Foul. First team foul. Team Derepite. Steal by Vanessa. Nakakuha ni Derepite. Nakakuha ni Derepite. Lumad. 2 points. Emil. The Duke. Derepite.
Paano sila? Lamang sila. Minus yan. Tangan para subukan mag-score.
19, 21, 17. 2 points. Willie Alcantara. 21-19. 21-19. Lamang pa rin po ang team Derepite.
Ang subukan. 10 seconds.
10 seconds to shoot. You play. Nakakuha pa rin. 2 points. Emil Chu Derpite. 23-19. 2 minutes 47. Bumangga, Jerome. 2 points, Jerome Damasco. 23-21. Lamang-lamang dalawa. Steal by Sir Eric. Pass to Jerome. Jerome. Short jumper ni Jerome. Login, 3-5. 3-5 number 0. Number 0. Grabe tulungan yun. Sir Eric, bumangga. Ay, di pala. Sir Sean pala. 2 points. Emil Derpite. Steal by Nobleza.
Last 2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes at inside 3. Emil Chu Derpite. Last 2 minutes at inside yun ang Cobra Energy Drink. Kung saan walang palaman. 29-21. 1 minute and 50 seconds.
Lama, 5 team lang tayo, di ba? 5 team.
Good.
Lamang po kayo, 29-23. 1 minute and 37. Pag natalo po ang Team Willie. Wala lang po.
10 seconds shot clock.
10 seconds shot clock.
6,
6 seconds to shoot.
4,
4 seconds. 4 seconds lang po. 4 seconds. 4 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good ball.
good,
Lima by
good.
Jerome. 1 minute and 8 seconds. 1 8 seconds, Jerome. Lumipad. 2 points, Jerome Damasco. Wala pa. Wala pa.
Paul yan di ba Paul yan?
Foul. Second team foul. Second team foul tayo. Reset.
Sino na? Reset.
Reset team foul. Second team foul. Sa ilalim number 0, 2 points. Number 0.
Sino yun?
Ay, hindi, tama. Kung natalo pala sila Jerome, kakalaban natin.
50 seconds.
50 seconds na lang. 50 seconds. Pag natalo po ang Team Jerome, knockout game po kami. Ay knockout game sila ng Team Banana Chips. Ng Team Banana Chips.
Last 40.
Last 40 seconds. Then yung tatlong team advances na po sa finals. Ay sa semis, sorry. Semis.
Last 30.
Last 30 seconds. Willie. 2 points. Willie Alcantara. 31-25. Shot clock of 20 seconds.
Ten seconds.
10 seconds left.
5 seconds.
5 seconds left.
1 second.
1.
Ready na.
End of the regulation. Panalo